are in for a bad time if farmers adopt the helicopter spraying plan. Dozens of baby seals have recently been washed inshore at a place called Seaside in Oregon. Some of them are orphans, for continuous war is waged by fishermen and others against full-grown seals because they do so much damage to nets. The babies, however, are rescued on the beach and taken care of. They make excellent pets and will follow you around, at any rate so long as the fish holds out. They positively like fish queues. These 4 orphans are to reside in an aquarium where they'll certainly be sure of their rations. At Asbury Park, American babies, paraded by their